And this is problem, let's see, I'll just switch up a little color here so don't get mixed up. But this is problem 41, and it is saying, some solutions of four. Wait a second. Oh. Some solutions of four equations are listed in table 43. Which of them are linear? They just want to know which of them are linear. Do I know how to do that? I can try. I honestly would graph them to see if they have a trend, or you can use the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 for two sets at a time. So I would use this set with this set, and then this set with this set to see if they have the same slope. If they do, then they're linear. If you really want to be sure, you use this set with this set, and then the last set with the last set. Or something that just occurred to me, this set with this set. Once you do that, you find the equation of the line, and if you plug in these numbers to the equation, you should get these numbers. What do I mean? Let's see. Let's name this let's erase this. So our first point is 0, 2. Second point is 1, 5. Wow, 5. So this here is our y2, y1, x2, x1. Let's plug them in. 5 minus 2 over 1 minus 0. 5 minus 2 is 3 over 1. That's 3. Oh, 3. So our slope would be 3x. Now, we look for the y-intercept, which is plus 2y. I looked at this here, and it's 0 and 2. And that's usually the coordinates for a y-intercept. So now I have my line. Now to test for linearity, if I plug in a 0, it will give me a 2. Watch me. 0 plus 2. 3 times 0, 0. Y equals 2. That means if this was a t-table, this is my x, this is my y. I put in a 0, I get a 2. Check. Let's test the 1. So if this equation is true, when I plug in a 1, it should give me a 5. Y is equal to, let me make it a different color so I don't get confused here. Y is equal to 3 times 1 plus 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. This one's, is it good? It's good. It's good. Okay, let's try another. If we plug in a 2, we should get an 8. Y equals 3, 2 plus 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. This one also checks out. Just for giggles and other things, let's try 3. Y equals 3 times 3. It should give us 11. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Check. Okay, we could say this one here is linear. Myth busted. Now let's try the other ones. We'll just try one more and then I'll let you do the next yours on your own. I'm not going to do this for ya. You know, mate? All right. 0 and 5. Oh, 0, 5, first point. Second point is 0, 1, and 6. This is our y2, this is our y1, this is our x1, this is our x2. Okay, 6 minus 5 over 1 minus 0. Okay, that's 1 over 1, just 1. So we have a slope of 1 and a y-intercept. Well, let me write over here. Damn, I'm just using up hella space. Y equals x, and then we have this rudder. That's our y-intercept, so it's plus 5. Okay, let me make some space. Now we're going to test to see if it works. Y equals, I'll write them out, and you can do it. That's the first test. Put a check there if it works. Oh wait, you can't. I can. Haha. Put a check here if that works. Will that work? Will that work? Okay, I'm gonna help you out because you look like you're struggling a little, or maybe not. You're probably not. Oh, I'm just messing. All right, 0 plus 5 is 5. That one checks out. 1 plus 5 is 6. That checks out. 2 plus 5 is 7. Incorrect. 3 plus what? Did we do something wrong? No, it just means this one here is not linear. Myth busted. You guys can do 3 and 4.